Welcome back to Farm Ninja. Today I'll be sharing with you the a new thing that came on board the PixelTap task that we do before the listing event tomorrow. So this is actually a compulsory thing to do before the listing tomorrow. If not, you won't be able to get your coins. And as for those that are having issues connecting wallets, my recommendation is that you should use OKX to OKX wallet, okay, OKX Web3 wallet to connect with your Pixel tab and get your Pixel coins. So let's dive into the video. Now on my screen, as you can see, they said Pixel tab airdrop claim update that you will need both Pixel tab bot coins, which is the FI, the robot coins you get from the Telegram. You will need them, and Pixel tab dashboard points, which is PIX. Now, in case you don't understand what is PIX, PIX is actually the dashboard for PixelVerse. When you click on the link on the comment section of this video, you'll be able to see the PixelVerse. You see, this is the PixelVerse website. Okay, so when you click on the link on the comment section of this video, it will bring you here, and as you can see, I have 0 PIX here. This means that I won't be eligible for the airdrop. So in order for me to be eligible, I have to connect my wallet with the wallet that I have connected with the Pixel tab on Telegram, and that of this PixelVerse website. Okay, this is PixelVerse website. So there are tasks that are here that you are recommended to do too after registration. Like if you follow PixelVerse on TikTok, you are going to get 3000 PIX. So these things are necessary. There are so many tasks here that have not been done. These things are necessary for you to be able to be eligible for the PixelVerse airdrop tomorrow. So apart from the individual task, there are also society tasks that you can do, of which big influencers will be able to do that. So this is just how it is. So, and also for these pets, the robot that you choose is what will determine the PIX that you will get from having pets in this PixelVerse universe, PixelVerse website. Okay, so let's just take the simple steps as shown on the information on my WhatsApp group. So they said you will need both PixelTap points, which is from the Telegram app, and PixelTap dashboard, which is from PIX. Okay, dashboard, this one. And then you will have to connect same Telegram account and wallet with PixelTap dashboard to qualify for the airdrop. Okay, so the Telegram account and wallet with PixelTap dashboard must be the same. So, and lastly, you have to create a dashboard account with your email and connect your wallet and Telegram username in the profile and complete some tasks to claim the dashboard PIX. So after that, when you look below, you will see the link that is shown on the comment section of this video. You can click the link and do that. You connect with your email ID, connect same wallet as in PixelTap, but link your Telegram accounts in the profile, and that's it. So if you are looking for extra points, if you want to get extra points, you can use the referral code that is on the comment section of this video. I'll be sharing the referral code, which is HMMLUUPUCP. So use that and you'll be able to get extra coins, extra PixelVerse coins. So let's dive into the video. So first of all, I'm going to the PixelTap Telegram account. Okay, I'll go to the Telegram first and then open the Telegram. So when I get to the Telegram, they ask me to connect my wallet. So this is just how to connect your wallet. You click on this to connect your wallet. Then I am going to use OKX wallet, which is very easy to accept the PIXELVERSE coins and connect with everything. So there are two options. We have OKX and OKX wallet. The OKX wallet will be requiring you for gas fee during the withdrawal of the coin. But I do not have intentions of withdrawing my PIXELVERSE coins. So I'm going to be using the OKX wallet because it is easier to receive the coin. So I'll select the OKX wallet. And mind you, you need to have a verified OKX account before you continue this process. So I believe most of you already have OKX wallets. Those of you that do not have OKX wallets, you can check the comment section of this video. I have also added the link to download OKX wallet. So make sure you use the link and also make use of my referral code for the OKX wallet to get a rebate coin. So you'll be able to get extra coins, dollars for your OKX. So since I have the OKX, just click on yes, I have it, and then they're asking you to write down your USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive tokens. So I will just go to my OKX now. So I'll go to my OKX now. They're asking for USDT ERC20 wallet. So in OKX, in case you are confused, OKX is made up of two wallets. So we have the exchange here. This one is exchange. This one is exchange. This is for trading your coins, and it can easily be sold for USDT and all that. And then we also have the place that is saving your assets in general. So this one is wallet. So when you click on exchange, some of you will have your OKX looking like this, but if you want to get to the wallet, you can click. The one that I am using currently is this one. So since I'm connecting wallets for OKX, I will select wallet, which is the Web3, and I'll scroll down. In case you do not have a USDT option on your OKX wallet, you just click on manage crypto. Okay, when you click on manage crypto, you search for USDT. Okay, so as you can see, there is USDT here. There are so many USDT, but the first one is called USDT multi-chain. So you are going to select that. So in order for you to select that, you need to press this place. Okay, you need to press this place to add it. So once the minus sign is showing, it means you have added it. So that's just how to add it. So once you do that, you now go back. When you go back, you are going to see your USDT here like this. So you now click on the USDT, and then click on ERC20, right? So you're going to, it's already on ERC20, so you just click your wallet, copy your wallet address like this. So you're going to copy this wallet address by clicking here. Okay, so you copy your wallet address, copied. So I have copied my USDT ERC20 address. So I will just go back now to Telegram, and then I'm going to paste the USDT ERC20 that I got from the OKX wallet, and then I will click on made it. Okay, and it will save my wallet address. So that is how to connect the wallet address. So let's wait for it. So my wallet address has been connected. So the next step that I will take is the PIXELVERSE website. So let's go to the PIXELVERSE website. Now let's go to the PIXELVERSE website. Okay, you minimize, and you can get to the PIXELVERSE website by clicking on the link that I have shared with you on the comment section of this video with my referral code. So this is the Pixel dashboard, the website. So when you click on it, it will take you to the PIXELVERSE. So when you get to PIXELVERSE, they will be asking you for login. So in case you get to the login, you just insert your email address. They will send you a message. They will send you a message. They will send a message, a login code to your email address for the Pixie website. Insert the code, and then it will bring you to this place. Preferably, they are going to ask you for the person that referred you. You can use my referral code, which I have shared on the comment section of this video. So you can use that and then get extra Pixie points. So when you get there, you're going to see your profile like this. It's a profile. Okay, so this is where you can get to know your dashboard. When you click here, you're going to see or open your dashboard where you'll be able to see tasks to do. So when you click on that place, you're going to see tasks here. You're going to see tasks here. So before we continue with that task, let us just go ahead and make use of this wallet connection interface. Okay, so when you click on that, oh sorry, I've already logged in. So this is what we are going to be clicking on. So when you click on that, click on it. They are asking now that connect your wallet addresses. Remember, I used the OKX wallet. So you say you can use one wallet at the same time. Okay, so you see, if you are using OKX wallet, you will be given extra 3,000 Pixie points. So it is best that you use the OKX wallet, you see, as I recommended. So mind you, we are making use of OKX Web3 wallet address. Okay, so that's what I connected in my Pixie tab on Telegram. So I'm going to click on connect for the stuff for the OKX, and it will take me directly to my OKX Web3 dashboard. So once I click on that, I will click on go to registration. Okay, I'll click on go to registration. I'll click on using my email. I'll use my email as usual. Okay, then I sign in. Then they have sent the verification code to my email address, so I will go to my email now. Please pay very careful attention to this video I'm doing. If not, you're going to miss out the points. Make sure you watch this video from the beginning to end. So the code has been sent to my email, so I'm going to copy this code, or most likely I'm going to write it down and then paste it in the website for OKX that they took me to. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so let's wait for the login on the OKX. Set internal error. Okay, let's do that again. Oh no, what's internal error? Sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. Okay. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, I'll go to my Gmail and copy the code. Okay, I'll be able to log in my dashboard now. My Pixel tab website wallet is now connected with my OKX wallet. So I will just click on this and see my wallet address now. So it is now connected. This is how to connect your OKX wallet with your PIXELVERSE wallet. So if you have done this, the next thing you do is go ahead and do the task. Okay, go ahead and do the task. As you can see, I've successfully connected my OKX wallet. So the next thing I do is do the task. Okay. Okay, since I cannot access the tax from OKX directly, I will go through the link that I shared on the comment section of this video. So I will go through the link that I shared. Okay, so it will take me to the tax menu. Okay, I'll click on the task dashboard, click on task. Okay, so this is my first task, that follow PIXELVERSE on TikTok. So if you don't have TikTok, you can register TikTok and then do this. Well, meanwhile, let's just go to TikTok. I have my TikTok account. So following them on TikTok is going to give me a chance. Okay, so this is PIXELVERSE on TikTok. Let me see if it is compulsory to take a screenshot of following them. So I will just take a screenshot of it. So I'll go back and then it will be verified automatically, I guess. So if you find this video helpful, you can actually click on the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so you'll be able to see more tutorial videos like this from me. Okay, I have connected my TikTok, but my points have not reflected. Okay, so they said the next thing is fight with users in real-time battles or join Telegram bot. Okay, they said join PIXELVERSE Telegram channel. I'll click on that. That's another task. So I'll go and follow them. It says subscribe to PIXELVERSE YouTube channel. So I'm only doing the tasks now. So if you have already binded your wallet address with the website, then you are good to go. Okay, so this is just how to connect your PIXELTap wallet address with your PIXELVERSE website. So I'll see you in other videos. For now, I'll call it a day.